So, Apple is less than 6 months away from releasing the iPhone 11. They're going to be releasing 3 different models. They're going to have a bunch of different features and a lot of other awesome stuff. What are the features that I really want in a new iPhone? Without any further ado, here is my iPhone 11 wish list. What is up, guys? I'm Benji from BenObi Tech and welcome back to another video. So the iPhone 11, as I said, is going to be announced in about 5 months, something like that. There's been a lot of different rumors, but let's set all of the rumors aside, all the leaks aside. Let me tell you guys what I really want to see in the new iPhones. Starting with feature number 1. Triple lens cameras. Now, why do I want a triple lens camera? Right now, the dual lens camera on my iPhone 10 is really good. I absolutely love the wide angle and the telephoto lens, but I would really like to see a third camera come into the equation, and that third camera being a ultra wide angle lens. Now, I've seen a couple of different phones come out this year with a triple lens camera system like the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. I absolutely love the telephoto lens. I couldn't live without it. The same goes with the wide angle lens, but it would be really cool if we got a super ultra wide option. Second feature I want to see in the next iPhone, which is basically kind of like an upgrade to a feature that already exists on the iPhone, and that is Face ID 2.0 or second gen Face ID. Because right now, Face ID, yes, is pretty fast. It's really secure, but it would be really cool if it were faster and, of course, more secure. And yes, I know that on the iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max it is faster, but still, if it were even faster, that would be even better. Third feature is a smaller notch. Right now, the notch on the iPhone X, XR, XS, and XS Max are pretty big. If you'll go ahead and do the hole punch, Apple, please don't do it off center, because that would absolutely suck and I would hate that phone. Or just make a small notch. I'm completely fine with a small notch because we have no chin. Small notch, the screen to body ratio will probably be a little better, and also there's more usable space. Number 4 is more colors. Now, what do I mean by more colors? Well, I want to see a product red option. Like, we've got the iPhone XS and XS Max. They come in 3 different colors, and then we have the iPhone XR that comes in 6 different colors, and I absolutely love the 6 colors on the iPhone XR, and it would be cool to get a couple of them over on the iPhone 11. At least the product red, please, Apple. Number 5, dual front-facing cameras. We've seen Google do this. We've seen Samsung do this. A bunch of other companies are doing it as well. They're adding a second lens to the front of their phones. Why are they doing this? Well, to give you more options with the selfie cameras. So, for example, on the Pixel and the Galaxy, you have a standard lens, and then you have a ultra wide lens on the front. Now, that would be really cool to see in an iPhone. Number 6 is 4K at 60 over on the front facing camera. Right now we have 1080 at 60 on the front facing camera. Great, amazing, but it's not good enough, Apple. And of course, throw in image stabilization as well. Actually, maybe image stabilization more important than 4K. Add that into that first, and then if you can, then top it off with 4K at 60. Number 7, better water resistance. Now, right now we have IP68 water resistance over on the XS and the XS Max, but it's still not good enough. I would like to see better water resistance where you can actually go swimming with your phone without any issues, because right now you can do that, but still it's IP68, so you can't really go where your Apple Watch can go. I mean, you can never be too sure when you throw your phone in water. Am I right? Number 8. Fast charger in the box. Apple, how long have we been asking for this? Give us at least a 14-watt charge brick with a USB-C to lightning cable. How much does it cost you to do something like that? Right now you're shipping these tiny little 5-watt charge bricks that can't even charge our phone properly. Getting a fast charger in the box is well overdue. Please, Apple, do it, or I'm not gonna buy any more iPhones. Number 9, faster wireless charging. Right now we have 7.5-watt wireless charging, and when you compare it to some phones that have 18-watt wireless charging, you think to yourself, Apple, why? Apple probably has the slowest wireless charging on the market right now. So I'm one of those people who adores wireless charging, and I wirelessly charge my iPhone X pretty much every day, and 7.5 watts right now is kind of slow. Make it 20 watts or something like that. Make it faster than the competition, so then we can fully kill our wires and just wirelessly charge. Number 10, reversed wireless charging. I am really jealous of Huawei Mate 20 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S10 users because they can actually charge their Galaxy Buds or Huawei Buds. I don't even think they have wireless charging headphones. Anyway, it would be really cool if we could charge our AirPods now that they have wireless charging on our iPhones. Imagine that. You wouldn't have to pack an extra charger around for your AirPods. It would be really cool if you could put your iPhone and your AirPods in the same pocket and your AirPods will be charging from your phone. And last but not least, number 11, no lightning port. Please, Apple, remove this port that is pretty much useless to me right now. Like, this is a waste of space. This is where water can get in. And if you don't completely remove it, please give us USB-C. Yes, I'm against you doing that, but if you do, that would still be pretty cool. If you remove the port, I'm still happy as long as you make wireless charging faster, because right now 7.5 watts is for flipping old people. So there you go, guys. That was my iPhone 11 wish list. 11 things I want to see in the iPhone 11. Let me know what you guys want to see in the iPhone 11 down in the comment section below. Is there a feature in particular from my list that you liked and you hope Apple adds, or do you have your own feature that you think could revolutionize the iPhone? If you guys did enjoy this video, let me know by hitting that like button down below, and of course, if you're new, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. If you guys want to help support the channels and get yourself some merch, you can get yourself a t-shirt, a hoodie, or even an iPhone case. The link will be down in the description below. Head over to BenObi.shop if you're not into merch and you don't want to buy any clothes, but you still want to help support the channels. You can go ahead and support me over on Patreon and PayPal. Links again down below. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Benji from BenObi Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video.